Kesi, Shenki, Dedoki, Chorwala, Samluma Dangce. Nganchor, Gediki, Kebar Chetapshi me. Gewang, Gucci, Chichipa, Chempe. We have no means of discriminating between right and wrong if we do not take into account others' feelings, others' suffering. By His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Ngansu Shen Tamche La Semkur Chebe Jisem Tembushik Suna Te Ngansu Sidun Tang Jizogi Siju La Domshik Dinkire Gewang Gucci Jushiba Chempe. When we are committed to the ideal concern for all others, it follows that this should inform our social and political policies. By His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Langdor ki dikchim me thumi rongwe gyunseni nganchu terdene rangi ki dewe top tang tang shenki top tang partu jung nyebe denzo la pardum chetube yin gewang guchi chishipa chempe. Ethical discipline is indispensable because it is the means by which we meditate between the competing claims of my right to happiness and others' equal right. By His Holiness the Dalai Lama.